Hi traders, Bharat here. Welcome to my channel, Trade with Bharat. So let's analyze Nifty today. So yesterday Nifty closed at 11,162 and today it opened at 11,237. A positive start of 76 points. And based on yesterday's close, I had stated that, today I'll be having a neutral view. And when the market opened, buyers had the confidence. And I stated in the Twitter saying that this particular zone will act as a resistance if it is not taken out soon. And also market will consolidate before making any particular direction move. Okay, so today's high is 11,245 and low is 11,280, 11,028.3 and the range is 217 points. So market started consolidating roughly like for 2-3 hours, and I think most of them here short position were built. And once it broke out this range, market started moving down further. And also I had stated that if Nifty trades above 11,255, it will be good for the buyers, but which that did not happen. The high of today is 11,245. And I had stated that if Nifty starts trading below 11,122, it will start moving much lower. Like, okay, so based on this overall structure, we can say, even for tomorrow, I'll be having a neutral view. And if Nifty starts trading above 11,194, somewhere here, I'll be expecting some buyers action and they'll try to push the market on the higher side. If not, if market starts trading below 11,136, market can go down further. Like, so let's move on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty yesterday closed at 21,183 and today it opened at 21,351 and a positive start of 168 points. So based on this open price, we could also conclude here also that it will be a kind of rotational market. And as I stated yesterday that I have a neutral view. So like, what we can expect is, first like 2-3 hours or the first half could be like, kind of consolidation. And then Nifty will start moving one particular direction. Okay. So, so today the same thing happened. It consolidated initially and then later on it rotated after getting supported this level, and then it came almost back to the open price or slightly more than that. So if you see the structure, buyers are having slight upper hand compared to sellers, and at for tomorrow's level it will be good if it starts trading above 21,384, and if it starts trading below 21,064, somewhere here, it starts going down further. Like, okay, so next is like a reviewing call shared on Telegram channel. First one is Cipla. Cipla was a buy call. The trade was not triggered. The buy was around 787.7. It did not move. Second is Reliance. Reliance, it capped up open, but it started coming down. Generally, I don't recommend anyone to take a buy call when it is opened above the buy price and then coming down. So no call here also. Next is BPCL. BPCL was a buy call at 396.6. It got triggered, I think, in maybe first or second minute, and then it started sliding down. So this like stop loss was hit, and this is like the summary of it. So one stop loss hit, one no trade, another one, two no trades. Okay. The third part which I want to go is like, shortlisted stock for next trading session. The first stock which I have shortlisted is Hindalco. So if you observe, like Hindalco started trading in a range bound and did not take any direction. So the overall here is like it's a neutral close. So since tomorrow having a neutral opinion on Nifty and Bank Nifty, I'm having a slight bullishness. So I'll go with stocks picking up which are having neutral view. So if Nifty, if Hindalco starts trading somewhere above here, so this can move into this particular direction. Or if not, if a market starts trading below this particular region, it will go down further. Okay. So next stock which I've shortlisted is Biocon. Biocon also the same thing. Like most part of the time, sellers were dominating, but at the end, like buyers took control and they made it as a closed at a neutral view. So anything which starts trading above this level, you can expect the buyers to come in and push the market on the higher side. Anything below here, you can expect the sellers to come and push it on the lower side. The third stock which I've shortlisted is Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank also almost a similar view. Since the market is neutral, I'm going with picking stocks which are in neutral. Anything which starts trading above this region, it will be good for the buyers to push down the higher side. Anyone who has sold it somewhere here, like here somewhere, those people will cover and this stock can move on the higher side. If anything, it starts trading below this region, slowly sellers will start pushing the market on the lower side and it can go down further. If anyone had bought here or maybe here, if they're holding for a long time, we can expect them to score off their portion and they can push it on the lower side. Okay, that's it from my side. Thanks for watching. Bye.